Just come to share with you another journal that I've made, and it's again using the Fern and Mushroom journal kit from ARTYmaze. This one, the one I done yesterday, was a big hard covered journal, and today's one is a traveller's notebook size journal. Now, as far as I know, it only comes in the normal journal size kit, but what I've done is I've just printed it off and then cut certain pages to the size of a traveller's notebook. The journal itself measures 8 1/4 by 4 1/2. There is one signature. There are 72 pages front and back. And like I said, it's just been cut down to that size because the last few kits of ARTYmaze, she's done them where you excuse me, I've got a bit of a croaky voice. She's done them like great kits where they're quite universal. You can kind of cut bits off and use the bits that you don't use for something else. They're just really good. And the thing about this journal as well, it's kind of got a collage background on it with, like, obviously the ferns and the mushrooms. Really loving it. Wasn't quite sure whether I'd be into that sort of thing, but I am. It's really, really nice. So I've chosen this green cardstock, and I've inked around the edges so that it's not so bright, because it was kind of green and white, so it's kind of like fading into the white there. And I've done some layering here, and this background paper here is actually from the kit, and then there's just some music paper. This image is from the kit, and it's been sewn onto some coffee dyed paper, and then also we have some burlap or hessian. I'm not quite sure what it is, but I got a big massive roll of it, which I got gifted that ages ago from Monique, who is Steel Crafting here on YouTube. So thank you, Monique. So I'm getting through that. The word here is from ARTYmaze, and that's a freebie on her website. You get a whole sheet of different words, and you get them with, let me just show you, you get them where they're kind of circled as well, like, if that makes sense. Get them like that so you can cut them out and do other things, or you can just cut the ones out that are just obviously on its own. And I'm rambling now, I think it's because I'm hungry. So we've got some crocheted trim on there, this bling and a butterfly. Let's go inside. Where's that gone? This will be listed on my shop if anyone's interested. So I've left the cover white on the inside, and obviously this page is from the kit, and it's so pretty. If you're on ARTYmaze's Facebook page, she actually put up 3 freebies yesterday, all to do with this kit. So we've got a pocket here, and I've made another cluster. They're my new favourite things to do. I printed on the backs of like the main pages with the lined page again from the kit. We have a tag from the kit, and I've just backed these onto cardstock and then just put some eyelash trim through them. And we have a journal card here. We have another tag with the ferns on there, and a little envelope, and that just tucks in there. Edge punching, got a paper bag, some digital papers from the old design shop. Here we have another journal card from the kit, and then here we have an envelope from the kit. There's nothing in the envelope because it's getting a bit chunky, so don't want them to be too chunky. And that's the envelope on there. Some squared paper, some crocheted trim, another page from the kit. And then here I used some of the background papers to make a pocket and just put some music paper there. This image is from the kit, obviously, and some bling, a butterfly, and then the word adventure. This is one of the pages that I just kind of cut down, and it's just basically somewhere to journal, and that just tucks inside there. Like that, and you can obviously tuck other things inside there because it's a pocket. Another page from the kit matches one of the envelopes. Here I just made a tuck, using some of the background papers, some music paper, this image from the kit, a butterfly and some bling, and then there's the lines on there. You could actually just do that and do some writing. So we have another page from the kit that I've just cut down. I had to trim the top off. Just coffee dyed it, folded it up, and it's somewhere to write on. 2 journaling cards here. It does fit in there. Some edge punching, another paper bag, some more digital paper from the old design shop. Plenty room to journal. I do make all my journals are filled with lots of paper to journal. You know, and you can actually take some of this out and you can make other pockets and things like with some of these elements. You know, if you wanted to, you could, if you thought there was something missing there, you could just pop that there, just glue it down that side, and then you've got another pocket. So these all don't have to stay in the pockets that I put them in. Another cluster, and obviously that journal card, another tag from the kit, and this from the kit, little envelope. I like that because you can write on the back of the envelope with the lines on there. They're not like heavily decorated, so that I like the use of some of the kits that people are making. You know, you've got lovely designs, but you've also got like places to write. Another pocket using the background page, and we have another, just a cut down page, and that pops in there. Just some music paper there, obviously this journal card from the kit, a butterfly bling, and this says Timeless Treasures. Another envelope. Like I said, don't forget to go over to ARTYmaze's Facebook page. It's called ARTYmaze and Friends, and that's where you can get the freebies to go with this. It's a lovely group. There are lots of inspiration and lots of freebies as well. Another pocket that I made, just done some layering, some papers from the kit, some music paper, some crocheted trim, this little image from the kit, the words memories, some bling, a butterfly. We have 2 tags. We have another journal card. We have another little envelope, and it all just pops in there, and that is the back. So that is the journal. Like I said, I will put the link below to ARTYmaze. The link to my shop will be down below if you're interested in making a purchase, and if you have any questions, just ask. Bye.